SmartHub SKU creation. Ready to create and manage SKUs on SmartHub? Let's go step by step. Log into SmartHub using your credentials at smarthub.amazon.in. Once logged in, navigate to the side menu and select Products, Add or Manage Products. Click on the bulk upload in the top right corner. Download the Add New Product template. Here's a sample template to get started. In the template, complete all mandatory fields like SmartHub SKU, product name, brand, dimensions and MRP settings. For example, set has expiry to true or false based on your product's requirements. Save your template and upload it by clicking Click to Upload. Then, check Job Status to track the upload progress. Once the status is completed, it's time to map the SKU to your sales channels. Navigate back to Bulk Upload and select New SKU Mapping under Operation Type. Download the new SKU mapping template and fill in details like SmartHub SKU, Channel SKU and Channel name. Upload the completed SKU mapping template and check the job status again to ensure the process is successful. Once the status reads completed, you can view and manage your SmartHub SKU details along with their channel mappings in the Add or Manage Product section. That's it. You've successfully created and mapped SKUs on SmartHub. Simplify your operations today. Need more help? Subscribe to our channel for tutorials and updates. See you next time.